If you go to any marketplace in Canada or the United States, any big city, you'll see the very top agents in those communities are Craig Proctor members. Every one of us has infinite potential. You've got greatness within you. You're letting other people's paradigms control the results that you're getting. I have a system for attracting prospects. I have a system for converting them to face-to-face appointments. I have a system when you're meeting with a buyer and seller to convert those buyers and sellers to listings and buyer contracts. And I have a system when you sign them up as clients to provide those clients with superior service, and a system to turn those clients into raving fans, into lifetime clients. That's why I was able to be one of the top RE/MAX agents in the world for 15 years in a row, because I made it easy to sell 500 homes a year.
This program has not only enabled top agents to multiply their income while freeing them of the drudgery of traditional old-school real estate methods, it has also transformed thousands of bankrupted, burnt-out, and average agents into millionaires. The system is uniquely positioned to deliver real, current, and proven solutions to real estate agents and brokers. Imagine what it could do for you. Craig Proctor has not only taught his students how to dramatically increase their results, but also how to vastly improve their quality of life. His system has been responsible for the biggest success stories in the industry.
The Craig Proctor System, it is a complete system. It teaches you from beginning to end what to do. It teaches you how to generate the leads. It teaches you what to do with the leads once you've generated those leads. And then how to follow up as well so you can get those people to come back and buy from you again.
But what really attracted me to Craig was the way they attract sellers and buyers to call me, and all I have to do is call back and say, I'm calling to get you the information you're looking for. That was a perfect fit. The cold calling, the door knocking, all the other stuff from other people, it just was not a personality match for me at all.
If there's something to be done in real estate, Craig's system has done it before, and we have a template to just go out and make it work.
And it's the easiest thing. All you gotta do is just copy. So I'm a good copier, I became successful. That's all I can say. You know, if I can do it, anybody else can do it.
It literally sets you 100% above the rest of the competition.